Have you ever noticed small, shadowy shapes drifting across your vision? These are called eye floaters. They appear as spots, strands, or cobwebs. Floaters seem to move away when you try to focus on them. Don't worry, they're usually harmless. Floaters are not optical illusions. They are tiny objects inside your eye. The inside of your eye is filled with a gel-like substance. This substance is called vitreous humor. Floaters occur when tiny pieces of this gel clump together. These clumps cast shadows on the retina. The retina is the light-sensitive tissue at the back of your eye. These shadows are what we perceive as floaters. As we age, the vitreous humor naturally changes. It becomes more liquid and shrinks slightly. This shrinkage can cause the vitreous to pull away from the retina. When this happens, it can release microscopic fibers or cells into the vitreous. Floaters become more visible in certain lighting conditions. Bright backgrounds like a clear sky or a white wall make them easier to see. This is because the pupil constricts in bright light. A smaller pupil makes the shadows cast by floaters more pronounced. Imagine shining a flashlight in a dark room. Small dust particles become visible in the beam of light. Similarly, floaters become more noticeable when light passes through a constricted pupil. Sometimes you might see tiny bright dots moving quickly across your vision. These are not floaters, but a phenomenon called the blue field entoptic phenomenon. You can see this most clearly when looking at a bright blue sky. These dots are actually white blood cells moving through the capillaries in front of your retina. The capillaries are so small that the white blood cells have to squeeze through them one by one. This temporarily blocks some of the blue light, making the cells appear brighter. The blue field entoptic phenomenon is harmless and disappears quickly. It's a fascinating reminder of the microscopic processes happening inside our bodies all the time. Most floaters are harmless and require no treatment. However, a sudden increase in the number of floaters, especially if accompanied by flashes of light or a loss of peripheral vision, can be a sign of a serious eye problem. These symptoms could indicate retinal detachment, a condition where the retina pulls away from the back of the eye. Retinal detachment is a medical emergency that requires immediate treatment to prevent vision loss. If you experience a sudden onset of floaters, flashes of light, or a curtain-like shadow across your vision, see an eye doctor immediately. Early detection and treatment can save your sight.